pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. If you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. It is nice to meet you. I do hope that you will leave me a comment down below and say hello and introduce yourselves. Tell me something about you. And for my gems, y'all know I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here again. I am having ear problems and I just got my lights. I think I'm gonna have to lower them, but there's just been so much going on lately. It is so good to be back in front of the camera, and I already got my AIA, my American Influencer Award Beauty Bundle for June. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited. I paid $30.60 for this, and I think it's like, I thought it was bi-monthly, and I signed up last month and I got the one for April. Now, I'm guessing this is May, June, or June, July. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Ooh. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. Okay, there's a card. I see pretty stuff. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Mana Babes. I'm thrilled to be partnering with AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. Manica Beauty Goodies. Oh wow, this is excellent. I am excited. Look how pretty she is. Okay, so, and the card has everything with the prices and everything on the back. Okay, so this is the hydration mist. This is a plastic bottle. This is derived from seawater. Helps soothe and calm skin. Oh, I like it. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. Okay, so that's a $19 value. Then we've got, I see this next, Lux Lash Serum. Ooh, the retail is $29. Made with non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. Well, you sold me there, Mana. Okay. Look how cute that is. I'm so excited. I don't know if I should open it or not or what. What does it look like? A mascara? Yeah. I cannot wait to try this. Oh, yes. Even shows you on the box before and after results. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this. Okay, what do we have next? I'm just so excited. Manica Beauty Step 3. 3-in-1 highlighter, blush, and shadow. Really? Where is that on here? I don't... Oh my goodness. Let me open it. I think this is a retail of $24. Okay, I am excited for this. I really like this box. Look at the packaging. Cute. Uptown. Made in China. Okay. Oh, yep. This is, it's a duo. It's got your blush and your highlighter, or you could use it for a shadow, it says. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Now, she's got beautiful skin. This is what I come up with when I have it on my fingers. And there we are. I really do like that blush. The highlighter, if I was a little bit, I'd probably use it more for a shadow or highlighting the brow bone. Okay, let's go. We're not even done yet. HD Perfecting Powder. Now, I've gotten HD powders before, and they have caused a white effect when pictures have been taken. So I'm curious if this one does that. It's called Flashback, and it kind of like, it doesn't look real pretty in pictures. So I'm curious to see if this one will do that. This is a pretty good size. Oh, wow. Okay. So you got your mirror, got your product here, and then you got the pad underneath it. Now I am definitely, it's very silky. It's $29. It keeps your makeup on all day. I'm just kind of putting it over the blush in that. And it reminds me of It Cosmetics by Pores. That's what it reminds me of, the silkiness. Anyway, it says it's a universal powder for all skin types, keeps makeup put all day long. Well, that's amazing. I'm excited. Now what do we have? Manica jar, step 3, lip lock priming gloss stain. I think the color is sienna. I think that's what that says. Wait a minute. $24. Ooh, okay. Packaging super cute. Let me see. I've got so many colors like this. I mean, it's gorgeous though. And it's a liquid lip. I'm sure it dries down. It says it's a stain, so it's got to dry down. Wow, okay. And then I think the last thing we got is a mascara, and I've been wanting a mascara. I've been using Wander Beauty, and you know how you get so many, and then all of a sudden I like didn't have any, and I had to go back to using Wander Beauty, and I was really like, sorry Wander Beauty, but I was depressed about it because it just doesn't do as much for me. Thank goodness I wear falsies. Look how cute this is. I love the pink too. Okay, so what is this worth? $29. It's a custom wand, it says. Let's see if it's a custom wand. Whoa. Ooh, it is! Ooh, can I try it? I already have Wander Beauty on, but you could use a second coat, right? I do like that wand. Okay. Well, this will be neat to try. And did I tell you it was a $29 value? Okay. So that's what we got in the American Influencer Awards box. I'm really excited. This was a really good value. We got the setting mist, which you can use before or after makeup. I'm sorry, guys. I have allergies. We got the mascara. We got the lash serum for fuller lashes. We got the liquid lip, and it's almost dried down. And then we got the setting powder. It says it eliminates oil and shine too, so it's mattifying. I do like this mirror. Oh, I did get a little bit of mascara. That's what happened. Okay. And then we got the duo. So I will calculate how much this is and then put it on here, but it's definitely worth the $30 if you ask me. If you have not gotten this box, I hope to be on this box one day. How cool would that be? Okay, so that's everything that we got in this box. I think I will be using everything too. If you guys want updates on it, let me know. Maybe I can do all of this in one video and we can test it all out. Are you getting it this month? I really want to know. Let me know your thoughts. If you've gotten it before, how long you've gotten this box, if you've been happy with every single one of your boxes. This is my second one, and so far I'm super happy with it. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel to get to know me and to leave me a comment down below if you're comfortable doing that, because I would love to get to know you. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget about my giveaways going on, and I'll see you in my next video.
Scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just